guys, good day. We are back on track and we are so blessed po. Hiwalaan mo nga, alo adlaw, hindi ka mo malipat nga may ara ginatawag na 9:04 a.m. kag 9:04 p.m. Pero hindi mo na istoryahan natin subong. Anyway, we are here right now at 9:04 Cafe here at ano na ganang address, mama?
Hibawaan Pavia.
Hibawaan Pavia. And we are so blessed po kay Ari si Ma'am Jomay who would tell us the history behind the brand 9:04 Cafe. Ma'am Jomay, thank you for having us.
You're
So,
welcome.
Ma'am, saan o nagsugod ang 9:04 Cafe?
Okay. Before anything else, I would like to greet all the women watching this vlog. Happy Women's Month because today is the last day of March and it's the last day of the celebration. So going back to your question, medyo malawig ang history, no? Because it all started with an advocacy of women.
Wow.
So it's so timing.
Wow, mayo lang.
Today ang atong schedule
Wow,
of
you give.
interview.
Wow.
It all started sa may breastfeeding Ilonggas. Okay, it was established in 2013. Then by 2015, may isa ka member, founding member, nga naging international board certified lactation consultant.
Wow.
She wanted to have put up her own clinic.
Okay.
So nabuhi si 9 and Beyond.
Okay.
So 9 and Beyond is shortcut for 9 months pregnancy and
Oh,
beyond.
wow.
Then, sa 2017 naman na siya na-establish. And then, pandemic came, and syempre nauntat man ang operations. When we decided to rent out the space again, the space is 3 times the size of our original space.
Wow.
So we thought, anhon tani ang extra nga space because we only need 25 square meters. Then, initially, yoga studio siya tani. But then, it's not enough to sustain the advocacy of breastfeeding.
Wow.
So, lo and behold, 904 came into
Wow,
being.
parami. Sa iyang story.
So, kung wala si 9 and Beyond, definitely wala si Cafe 904.
Wow. That was
Yes.
so well.
Well-researched.
Di man research. Grabe, subong ko lang na at least no sa inyo dara nga nakabati sa to ginhambal ni Ma'am Jomay. It started with an advocacy. Ma'am Jomay, how important was that advocacy?
The intention is to support breastfeeding mothers in Iloilo.
Wow.
So, because of that advocacy, we were able to establish partnerships with different organizations.
Okay.
When we opened Cafe 904, it all started with sang Valentine's Day of 2023.
Wow. Grabe.
Kay may nag-date dito nga couple nga medical students sila
Okay.
gali subong. I mean that time medical students. Ano na medical students. Then sa sige naman nga storya, I found out that they're medical students. So ni-introduce ko sa ilang advocacy. And may ara sila organization nga ang focus man is mga medical missions, ang mga helping out the less privileged naton nga mga utod. So naka-partner kami and for the first time last year when we celebrated the annual breastfeeding month, partnership na siya of mothers and medical students.
Wow.
So it was really bridging the gap. Kaya after all, these medical students, sila na niya ang maging members ng society in
Yes.
the next generation,
Yes.
ang Ambal Mamangani. So ila na niya generation, kami nga tapos na ang mga kabataan naman niya, naka-inculcate na nasa mind nila nga ma-breastfeed sila
Yeah.
sa future. So sila naman, after all, ara sila sa medical community. Sila ang may power ba? Or may chance or opportunity to spread it to others.
Wow.
So baga, channel lang gid si Cafe 904.
Grabe. Speaking about Women's Month, syempre ma-end kita subong ma'am sa Women's Month. Kabako man hindi na dapat nga Women's Month lang, no? Dapat i-celebrate natin ang mga women sa aton nga kabuhi. Not just every Women's Month, but every day. Matsyagan mo, ma'am. Anong ara sa women Ano, ako ni ha,
Mhm.
anong ara sa women, tsagan mo nga hindi namon nga men maubra?
Number one, breastfeed.
Tama.
Diba? Ano pa? Siyempre, ang mga things nga galing kay malawit naman ang istorya,
Okay
mga
lang.
gender roles, no?
Oo.
Pero hindi ma-focus na lang kita sa breastfeeding. Kaya ang ina nga role, ginaya sa universe for the mothers.
Grabe.
So, it's very important.
Wow. So, grabe. Ari naman, Mama Jomay, if ever, no, somebody is watching and mayara man sa siguro advocacy, mayara siyang something that he or she wants to ipawaragwag or gusto niya man nga i-present to the masses, I know this is the best time nga ikaw ang maka-advise sa ila if they have an advocacy and if they want to i-present ina sa kadamaan, anong ma-advise mo sa ila?
Well, number one is to know why. Why you are doing this. Because when you enter into the business industry, it's like gambling. Kaya syempre 50-50. 50 nga mas successful siya, 50 man nga hindi. And then different ang circumstances nga gatabo sa world like now, may global crisis.
Yeah.
So, bilog ang mundo. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. So, we always go back to the why. Okay, if your sole intention is to just earn, then you will not stay longer in the game. It's difficult to go with the tides of life. Kaya lain-lain, roller coaster, gin siya katama. So,
Wow.
you always go back to the why. Kaya amo na siyang mag-motivate sa imo nga, sigihon ko pa siya.
Wow. Speaking about challenges, what was, or ang pwede mo lang ma-share, ang pinaka-greatest nga challenge ni 904 and how did you overcome it?
Since we were established in 2022, wala pa gid ko masiling nga do grabe-grabe na gid nga challenge except supong na gid ya. The war in the Middle East greatly affected us. Kay even this March lang when fuel prices increased, gulpi lang na feel namon nga consumers are saving na gid.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the time of uncertainty man. Ma-consider tagid siya kay we did not know until when siya masaka. And kung matapos na bala ang giyera, ma-rollback ba dayon? And kung mag-rollback ba dayon, ma-rollback siya sa kung saan pila ang presyo before dayon No, it's a long way to go for us.
Yeah.
So we understand na consumers are wise at this point in time, but at the same time we are also doing what we can to get by. Yes.
Wow. Let's go back to 904. Ang pinaka-first ninyo nga shop.
Okay.
Where was it located? And how did Ilonggos responded sa pinaka-first ninyo nga shop?
Yes. So, di ba nag-start kay 9 and Beyond?
Yes.
We were advised not to use 9 and Beyond Cafe. Kaya after all, when we opened, pila na yung ka-years si 9 and Beyond. Galing kay, according to our food consultant, use another name para maka-open pagid sa general masses. So, she was right. Kay we were able to have different customers in all walks of life. And, well, if you remember gani, I told you a while ago that I remembered you and your church before, nga dito pa fellowship. And then aside sa inyong manya group, we also cater to different religions and organizations. So we created a space located at the second floor of Ana Ross Building, Simon Ledesma, Haro.
So there you have it. And then, what happened next after that?
So, muna to, sige-sige, ang amon nga na-build nga partnerships first with the College of Medicine sa West Visayas State University, special mention sa Asian Medical Students Association.
Wow.
Kaya sila gitsubong ang amon nga partner in the furtherance of breastfeeding. And recently lang, we also supported them sa ilang nga trip sa isa ka far-flung barangay in Barotac Viejo.
Wow.
And then we had partnerships sa Marketing Society of UPV. In fact, because of the partnership, we were able to hire a member of their organization. He was with us for 10 months and then ready to fly na siya. So he went to Manila. Then we also had partnerships with West Visayas State University Social Science Department. Kay Ara, dara ang isa ka members ng Breastfeeding Ilongas who did study sa impact sang breastfeeding sa teenage pregnancy and then nag-move na siya sa dissertation niya nga nag-revolve naman sa Breastfeeding Ilongas. So, at the same time, ano pa nga mga schools, CPU. Currently, we have a partnership with the CPU Republic. So, kung may mga Centralians, dala
Shout
kagalantaw
out.
until May 30. May 15 lang gali. Every visit nyo sa Harrow branch namon, may discount ka mo. So, just show your ID.
Wow, grabe no. So, Ma'am Jomai, with everything nga ginhambal nimo no, paano naman nag-start ang sa diri sa ginapong ko anaton subong sa Hibaw-an naman nga branch?
Okay, sige. Okay, if nakakadto na kamuya sa Harrow branch,
Yes.
you will see nga hulong doon ang space. We are located in an area nga puro siya yung hardware. So, with the cheaper rent daw comes expensive marketing.
Wow.
So, I live nearby. When I saw that poblasyon is rising soon, so I inquired and sige, let's try. Okay, we will try to replicate what we are doing in Harrow. But we are here for almost 6 months pa lang man. And nakitaan ko yan nga ang personality ng Sininga Space is different from Harrow. So, I'm happy also nga si Harrow may lain man siya yung personality.
Ang diri.
But with the singular intention of creating a space for those who need it.
Grabe.
Yes.
So speaking about the space, let's go with the food and services ninyo nga gina-offer, Ma'am Jomai, no? Let's make a little bit of a simulation. First time nila magkanto sa 904 Cafe, what do you recommend for them to get?
First we ask, syempre, if what they're looking. Ano na pangitaan nyo ba? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
Okay.
Coffee lang ba? And we would ask man kung ano nga coffee, ha? Ice, regular, upsize, sweet, very sweet. or if they want a recommendation, syempre we would recommend. But of course, ang amon gid yung masiling ko gid yung doon nagtatak na sa mga tao even sa Harrow branch naman is the one I'm wearing now.
Wow.
Molo.
Shout out.
Kay Ilonggo gid siya yung delicacy. Tapos at sang dito pa lang sa Harrow na we saw the need for lutong bahay. That's when we offered lutong bahay and yung gindalaman diri siya namon. So, amo na siya.
So,
and of course, ang amon nga menu, hindi kami masilingin nga totally vegan, hindi kami or vegetarian. But at least we have options for those who are wanting or looking for meatless and guiltless alternative.
Grabe, do pagkamal mga meatless and guiltless, naging tulok na guilt ko. And anyway, and you...
Meat lang kayo, di ba? Holy week.
Tama. And you also have a space, Ma'am Jomai, sa babaw. Is that available for any meetings or also any mga gatherings?
Here at Pavia, we have a separate space for the events. Kaya dito sa Harrow, we notice na kung may mabook ng event, we have to close off the entire space. Why man na siya kaso, kay nag-post man kami. However, may customers gidya nga nagakadto nga hindi makita na being post. So it's quite sad to refuse customers. So this time, the space has enough to space nga.
Pwede sila
unit, dili may enough na space para maka-separate ang aton nga mga events.
Wow.
And luckily man, ang space naton so far naka-host naman sang baptisms, ano ganyan na, proposals,
Wow.
wedding proposals, birthdays, workshops, may nag-hair demo pa nga nasalaan kami nga abi nila may parlor kami sa second floor. Pero wala.
Wow. Ma'am Jo, may question before kita mag-end ba ako. Dumdamon ako sa question, no? Did you come from a family nga may business?
No. In fact, we were not brought up to establish business.
Wow.
Kaya I was born in a family of accountants. So they know how it works. So that's why none of our family members entered into business. And good thing that you asked, because this establishment is not a fulfillment of a dream, but we were led to this.
Wow.
And slowly, and sa almost 4 years na namon, it's unraveling. Nga we are here to serve others through our services.
Wow.
Yes, medyo kapoy man siya, pero as I said, you go back to the why.
Another question, dumdamon ako question, no?
Sinugay ako na ma-question.
What's the big dream for 904 Cafe and sa inyong advocacy?
Number one, it is sustainability. Hindi lang number one, I think that's the only
Yeah.
goal is to sustain it. Because circumstances of women, especially volunteers, change. So, kami nagagamay nga volunteer, and we are so lucky gid nga si AMSA of West Visayas State University na ma-partner with us. Kay we are also hoping nga sila na niya mapadayon sa advocacy. Kay in 2023, we were supposed to stop na. Kay kapoy nang gid man kami, and since nga do 10 years na namon siya ginaubra. But then there was this ambay ko kainan, social science
Wow.
professor sa West who did the study, and ang gin-share niya sa amon, and sila niya sigihon ta lang, padayon lang kita kay kadako gali isang impact sa iban.
Yeah.
Oo.
Wow. So, with that in mind, Ma'am Jomai, could you invite our viewers to come in here? Kasi iba nyo man yung mga branches sa 904 Cafe.
Okay, to everyone watching this, I'm inviting you to visit Cafe 904. We have one in the city, sa Haro, second floor, Ana Ross Building, Simon Ledesma Street, Haro, Iloilo City. Dito man na namon ginahold ang amon breastfeeding classes every month, newborn care class conducted by a pediatrician, first aid for babies and children,
Wow.
yaman sang conducted also by neonate. Sinunin na lang. And we also have arts and crafts classes and workshop for adults and children.
Wow.
And wellness seminars, which we had one last Sunday lang man gani. And also, if you're here in the Pavia area, we have also a branch here at Poblacion by Iloilo, Sugtumar. So we hope you can come and visit for a time well spent.
Wow. Last and very last question. Let's go back 4 years ago na ni Ma'am nag-start na. Will you still make that decision to make 904 Cafe?
Yes. Because it was a journey, and in that journey there is growth.
Wow.
So, padayon lang kita.
So there you have it. If you are a business and you want to be featured, next comment down below. Kag sa inyo pa nga wala naka-agi sulod, dapat inquire, message sa 904 Cafe. If you have events, you could also message them. If you have mga seminars, kung ano man dira, namin din yung ilang presto din sa may hibawaan. Kag sa inyo man, dira again, yung mga student, may mga pa-discount ni Ma'am sa PIO, hasta sa May 15. Kag sa inyo pa, like their page, share ang ilang mga advocacies, and that's really helpful para sa aton. Kung ga-share kita ganit sa mga labay-labay dira, why don't we share sa advocacy nga gina paglaban nila kag naton. Kag ako number 1 gid ko nga attest nga nami giman ang breastfeeding. So God bless everybody. This has been Pedro of Brand Boss. See you on our next vlog.